What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at ESR's case lineup for the brand new Galaxy S22 Ultra, as well as some rear camera lens protectors. Now I will also be putting links in the description in case you guys want to pick these up yourself, and if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So let's go and see what we have. Alright, so here we have ESR's metal kickstand case. It is clear. It's got a nice hard back, and it does have that metal kickstand, which is pretty nice on the bottom here. Okay, so here it is on the phone. Feels pretty nice in the hand, nice and grippy, so it doesn't slip out of your hand. Buttons, nice and clicky, responsive. If we look at the side here, you can see that there is a little lip on the top and the bottom of the case. Now, one thing to note, I also do have a tempered glass screen protector on my phone, and there's still a lip on the case. That's very important, especially if you want to use a protective screen. Here we have a little lanyard hole on the side there. As you can see, it doesn't add a lot of bulk to the phone. There's just that little bump for the kickstand. There's your buttons on the side. It also does have some reinforcement on the edges in case you happen to drop your phone. There's your ports at the bottom there, the charging port, the speaker, and then your S Pen. You can easily get that out. Push it back in. On the back here, it's nice and clear to show off the color of your phone. And then there is also a raised edge around the camera to protect that as well. And then we have our metal kickstand here. Just kind of pops out. It's very, very sturdy. It does not feel flimsy at all, which is nice. So you can either look at your phone in portrait or landscape mode in case you want to watch some Netflix or you want to maybe have a Zoom call or something like that. Either way, you have that nice little kickstand, and then it nicely clips back into place, so it's not going to just come out. That is a very nice case. As far as fingerprints, doesn't seem to show fingerprints all too bad, as you can see there. Very cool case. And then also on the sides here, as you can see, it's cut a little low, so you can still access those edges of the phone. And then as far as wireless charging goes, no issues there, even with that kickstand. I like this one. Again, that is the metal kickstand clear. And then here is the kickstand in black. This is nice. Now the difference between the clear one and this one is this one's more flexible than the other one is, but you should still have some really good protection. That is nice. So this one does have a rubber, kind of slick rubbery feel to it. Buttons are still easily accessible and clicky. If we look at the side there, we can still see that raised edge on the top and the bottom. And you can still access your side edges here of the phone. Got your buttons on the side. On the bottom here, your S Pen, speaker, charging port. And again, you can easily access that S Pen. On the back here, it's got a nice texture to it. Very cool. And again, there's a raised edge around the camera, so if you happen to put your phone on its back, it won't touch any of the lenses. And then here we have that little kickstand in black. Very nice, nice and sturdy. As you can see, it moves pretty much anywhere you need it. And you can stand up your phone in landscape or portrait, whichever one you want, and then it clips back into place. Very nice. That is sleek. I really like this case. And it does have those reinforced edges as well in case you happen to drop the phone on one of the edges. And again, that is the metal kickstand in black. And then here is what they call their Project Zero case. It is another clear case, but it does not have that metal kickstand on it. This does have a little flexible feel to it. It's not as hard as the kickstand one. There it is on the phone. Nice and grippy. Buttons are easily accessible and responsive. If we look on the side here, again, we have that raised edge on the top and the bottom, and you can still access the sides of the phone. There are your buttons. As you can see on the back, it does have a raised edge for the camera protection. On the bottom, charging port, speaker, S Pen, still easily accessible, and it does have those reinforced edges on the top and the bottom in case you happen to drop your phone. Fingerprints do show up a little bit on here, but you can just wipe those off. That's the price of having a clear case though. But again, if you do have a colored phone, this is nice to show off that color. And this case also does wirelessly charge without any issues. And then here is ESR's rear camera protector. You only get one in a pack, but it's easy to install. You just kind of peel off the back here and then stick it on your phone and you're all set. And it looks quite big, but interesting enough, when you put this onto the cameras, it only sticks on the little lens pieces here, and then you pull up the rest of the plastic piece. So it only covers exactly what it needs to. So it's going to work with pretty much any case you're going to use with your phone. So first you're going to want to open up your little accessory packet that comes in the box. We're going to clean off our lenses really well with that alcohol wipe. And you can dry it off with a cloth. And you're going to peel off the backing from the template. Make sure you don't touch the underside once you do that. And then we're going to place it over all the camera lenses. Just press it into place. Make sure you press over each one of the lenses here to make sure it sticks in place. And then you can just simply lift up the template. And as you can see, all the lenses on the inside are now gone and they're over your camera lenses on your phone. Very nice. It doesn't really add a lot of bulk to the phone and it looks really nice. So that way your camera lenses are always protected, especially if you don't want to use a case. So now we're going to put it into the case and we'll see how it looks there. Very nice. That looks pretty good. And as you can see, there's still a little bit of a raised edge from the case to still protect the camera bumps if you happen to put your case on its back. Now I definitely do like these kind of protectors more than I do the ones that cover the whole piece here, because when you have the whole piece protectors and they are like a glass, sometimes the LED lights up the whole protector and then it kind of causes issues with your pictures, maybe like a haze, whereas this one doesn't cover the LED at all, so all your pictures should be exactly the same. So that is ESR's case lineup for the brand new Galaxy S22 Ultra, as well as those rear camera protectors. Again, I will be putting links in the description in case you guys want to pick them up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next one. Later.